Okay, so I went ahead and welded this bolt into this hub to simulate I don't know, a really stuck bolt. And I'm going to stick this wrench over this nut, and I'm just going to lay on it and see if I can bust out the innards of this thing by just laying on it with all my weight. Should I wear safety glasses? Do you see me flexing my huge muscles? Okay, it's on there now. Nope. These things are going to hold up just fine. I'm excited to go put them in the toolbox. All right, so this is a 12-piece wrench set. It says it has 72 teeth and a 5-degree arc swing. These are metric, and these ones 9, 10, 8, 11. You can read it in the specs. But let's just take a peek at these things. I really like the finish on these Suzumes. They're not that chrome that feels like it's going to flake off. It's a little bit matte. You can kind of see some tooling on this thing. They feel pretty solid overall. Here's the ratcheting part, the part that everybody cares about. This is all metal. We can hear the teeth in there. That's good. They're not worried about doing any funny knurdling in here or anything. This thing's just all about business. So, good looking set of wrenches. Not sharp edges on here, so that's good. They're squared off, but they're not sharp. And plenty thick. This is a good feeling wrench overall. Let's just check out the arc swing on these real quick. I think this is a 17 millimeter head, is it? Yes. So the idea of arc swing, of course, is how far does this move before it clicks to the next ratchet, right? So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. To visualize it here, you know, we're in a really tight spot. There's something above and below your hand, and we need to keep resetting this to tighten this nut. So let's grab out the magic marker. I guess this is a Sharpie. Very scientific instrument. I'm going to mark where we start. I'm going to ratchet. That's a really bad mark. It looks fine. Mark where we end. There's a click. I mean, that's a very, very tight arc swing, and that might be less than 5 degrees. So, yeah, we can be in a very tight spot with this thing, under the hood of a car or whatever, and really reach what we're doing pretty well. And I feel like I can really wrench on these, so to say.